How to play music on Roblox Voice Chat Mobile. In order to play music during Roblox sessions on mobile, you can use any external application that play music through your device speaker. So here is how you can do it. You can launch a music streaming application like Spotify or Apple Music on your mobile device. So for that, we will just open up Spotify and make sure that you're logged in with your account on Spotify. Now you can start playing the song that you want to listen to. Here, play the music, and once the music is being played, you can close Spotify, and there you can see the music is playing on my device. So while the music is playing, now you can open Roblox. You can switch to Roblox application and join your game. So open up Roblox and make sure that you're logged into Roblox, and after that you can join any game in your Roblox and ensure that music application volume is set appropriately so that you can hear both the game and music. So while playing music through your device speakers, because the music to be audible to other players in game, especially if the voice chat is enabled. To prevent this, you can consider using headphones or adjusting your microphone settings to minimize background noise. So that's how you can add or play music on Roblox Voice Chat Mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.